Good morning, everybody. I want to show you how the logo is done. The logo that you saw up there, 3D logo. Now, the first thing you do is to set your page. You're going to pick a YouTube thumbnail. Then after that, you draw a circle, like the previous post I gave to you. So to give it the feel of the ring, you are going to duplicate it. But before duplicating, you align to the center, that relative alignment. Then draw another circle to the center. Ensure you are at the center of each other. Then the next thing you do is to merge, because we want to remove erase color. The next thing you do is to merge. So after merging, you position it to the center also, so it's aligned. Then merge both of them. By now you all know how to merge. It's in the previous video I sent. Then you erase background. Then after erasing your background, that is erase color. So you can just duplicate. If it were me, I would just duplicate that, but I just want to show you how merging and positioning is done. You can use the relative positioning to fix your work. Now, if you notice, I have to lock that my object before making another drawing, so that it won't affect it. So I locked those layers, that is those objects, I locked them. Then before I draw another circle that I can merge with the other one at the center, just to form what I have done earlier for the bigger circle. Then you select them again and you merge, so then the next thing you do is you erase color. Please, if you have not seen the previous video, I'd advise that you check it out before practicing this one. Our advice. Now the next thing is, I want to cut out the center, just like what you see in the logo. You see that center is open, so I want to cut out the center. So I will do it to merge them and erase color. So I will ensure that I draw a rectangle, very small rectangle at the center. Then select everything together and then merge. After merging, I will also erase color. Now, like I said, if you merge and you are not okay with the merging, immediately undo, so that it won't affect your work. You merge, and it's time to type text. It's time to type my text. So let's say learn design. Learn design, and I change the font. I picked a better font that I feel is good. Go to my font and the stereo font. I'm sending you this font also in the materials for the class. So increase the spacing to 15. Increase the spacing of the font to 15. You can increase it, depending. This is just to show you how you can design a 3D logo, and work with 3D objects. So that's just how to do it. So the next thing is to give it spacing. You will see it in the text area. To give it spacing, the size and everything. Now I'm working in landscape so that you can all see it. So that you can all see what is being done. So I'm showing them in landscape. Give them a landscape. Give them a landscape. So yeah, apart from there's also line spacing. You know, there's also line spacing, and we align again. We align again. Yeah, you know, and arrange them. So most of the time, we don't even need to do position, relative positioning and everything, but it just to show you how to use most of the tools. Now, if I'm going to do something new that I've not taught you before, and it's called, in corridor we call it um, fit text to part, but here we call it curve. Is a tool also, curve. So select the font that you want the welcome to be, then click on curve and you bend. So if you want to bend up, just manipulate it and you see what it's going to give you. Then you can pause the video, look at it very well, play it back, look at it, changes very well, look at the tools that is being used and practice. So it's not like you watch the video once, you can watch it several times. Don't be in a hurry. See, so then you can manipulate the bending and give it, let's say 60, 65, 70, depending on what you design, depending on how your design looks like. Now you've done that, so there should be something at the bottom also. There should be something at the bottom, and it's a welcome to learn design. The web design school. Okay, let's do channel. Welcome to web design channel. Welcome to learn design channel. Now let me give you the star effect. So the star effect, you use asterisk, but ensure that you use the same font that you use for the welcome to for the channel also. Then you bend. So you can edit this channel. You can edit it and put what is star. Type hashtag or type star. Then you can also duplicate the welcome to at the top and do that also. But I'm just following the normal, the long method, so that for training purpose, for training purpose. So please follow this video, follow it step by step. Everything we are doing is connected. If you cannot design this logo, you can't move to the next video I'll be doing. Then you can come to the next video I'll be giving you. So follow this. So now you can give it, like I said, texture. Giving it picture, picture fill. So you can select then emboss. You can manipulate the embossment and everything. You can just do that. So I have explained all the tools, all the effect that is being done here. I have explained it before, but you can see, you can just manipulate all these things and see how it's going to work for you. So that is the emboss effect. Then we are bringing in background. How to do all these things I've explained in the previous video. So please watch the previous video. Watch the previous video. Now, as you can see, that's 3D. That's 3D effect. 3D effect where you have depth, and you just manipulate. Let's give you something nice. And you can reduce the size a little bit. Part of adding effect to this logo now that we've done, part of adding effect to the logo is, how will I put it? It's been shown in other subsequent or coming videos that I'll be sending also. Now, I might not put star in the channel in this one, or but you can also add some feels to it by yourself, by putting star by the side. So now we are through the design, so you can export it. So thank you very much. God bless you.